It's currently 7:30 a.m. June 9, 2025, and I'm currently on my way pa UA because a lot of errands to do. Kuha kasi kami ng TOGA today. Magpiprint ako ng accomplishment report para sa org, and then magmamock research defense kami. Ewan ako ba siyang pagkasyahin sa isang araw, pero kaya ko naman siguro kakayanin. Actually 9 a.m. pa nasa UA na, pero inagahan ko talaga para makapagpa-print and makabili ng mga materials. Tapos ko na po ipasa yung accomplishment report as well as yung nakuha ko na yung TOGA ko, guys. Ngayon magbabayad naman ako ng TO. Shit, mahal. Ay, charger dependent rin tayo. Shit. Jocelyn. Ito si Jocelyn. Na-in-love siya sa shark. Yay! Paki-play. Ooh. I don't. Ay, tutag ko ata. Lain dyan.
Yun na Paul Tanner Park. Amura nagdagdagan.
Letter hunters. Mga hunters, guys. Para makapag-research defense kami bukas. Wow, ganda ng kulot ng buhok ko today, ha. Iba talaga pag may foggy na nakikita.
Nakakulay white.
Ano ang ano mo? Yun ang letter, guys.
Pwede mo naman na itong
Kasi makilatan sa ba? Oh, guys, it's Wednesday, June 11, 2025, and Research Defense Day! Hindi pa ako kinakabahan, guys, pero siguro mamaya kakabahan naman na siguro ako. And also, guys, may pasidungog kami later, or ngayon na nga, late na ako, and I don't know if makakahabol pa, but sana makahabol. Kasi Dean's List na naman tayo, guys, which is a good thing, right?
Kung totoo kayo mga instrument na yun, saan ginamit? No, we didn't scripted is para ma-understand sa mga district school. Relational is may association ng mga variables sa sarakan-saran sa umuratin na. So, para
They tricked me. Sabi nila, first group na kami. So, ready na talaga ako, guys. Promise. Tapos, sport. Andun po. Research Finally, research defended and yay! Sisters and Hello, guys. Today is the Thursday and June 12, Araw ng Kalayaan, and it's also our post-practicum program. It's currently 11:44 and I'm getting ready. I'm actually running late. Kay 12:30 yung 12:30 yung at station, and my mom is DIYing my necklace. Sobrang bad timing naman ng nag-iisang pimple ko, guys. Lumabas talaga siya the days before yung practicum. Hindi ko naman siya pop-up pa. Eat our brunch. Meron akong sinabawang gulay. Then, kanin and black na kape. Kain, guys. Kain. My necklace is back, guys. Kinahinang nanay ko. I'm gonna do my own makeup. As I've said sa past vlog ko. Jatay, ako ay isa. Kami mas panggala.
Ang ganda yung napag-prom, di ba namin daan?
Hindi, ang mura ka ha. Ang mura, di ba? Ang back mapink ako. Ang mura man na daan. Galing nga, nag-abot dyan.
Jin! Jin! Naman siya. Very elegant.
Our guests are Office Administration, Hospitality Management, Accountancy, Management Accounting, and Cooperative.
Guys, dalaga na sa likod niya dyan.
Sa likod ito rin sa
Isasama kita sa vlog ko. Magaganda kami today.
Team management, let's give them a round of applause. Stage please, a round of applause.
Sorry. Look and sound confident. I know there are times na medyo
Of course, we're looking forward to returning to the Accountancy and to our Director for International Affairs Unit, Professor Jonathan A. Romano. I know that they're already serving food, and I think it's still very early to listen for a testimony. You know, it's
Tinlanay ko ng pagkaon mo, Jin.
started more.
Nagkaon siya.
Congratulations here. We're really looking forward for your message tomorrow. So let's give another. What's your name again? It's Victoria. Because Ma'am O will be leaving early to attend another internship program. And given the fact that they just recently arrived in a weekend,
Yan, nasa na nagkabot? Paabot gala dahil.
and we are looking forward
what expected her was the importance of discipline.
Benjamin, right? Double rule, right? You can now start taking photos on stage, requesting OJTs from Akul.
Hi guys! Officially tapos na po yung post-practicum namin. And mag-uwi na kami mamaya. We're just gonna take pictures later. Okay, so it's the 5th day and it's Friday and it's currently 3:15 p.m. But I'm on my way pa UA. Actually, dapat kanina umaga pa ako for the clearance kasi hindi natuloy yung clearance. Sa bahay na lang ako and tumulong sa mama ko maglaba and maglinis ng bahay. But apparently, oh my god guys, today is the pasidungog for like awards and I have an award pala which is I am oblivious about.
Message. Again, let's give her a warm round.
Brands, and most especially, the class of 2025. It is truly
9 assignment classes, the grind to finish our research papers, spontaneous presentations, a million
25.
To
Hello guys, so it's a Saturday, June 14, 2025. And yeah, balik UA ulit ako for the 6th time this week because we have a graduation pictorial and pictorial rehearsal. We have a rehearsal for our graduation, but the thing is I'm already running late. Kasi nga, anong oras na ako nagising kanina, and hindi agad ako bumangon. And then I also took a lot of time preparing. Di na rin ako nag-breakfast kasi wala na rin naman time. So I was like, I'm really running late na talaga. Pero kakayanin pa naman siguro. Okay guys, baka nasashock kayo ha. Like, mostly kasi na mag-graduate is very chill na lang. Like, a week before their graduation. Like, naghihintay na lang sila ng graduation. Kami kasi, we don't do that here at UA. Especially to our program. And for most, late na kami nag-start ng internship namin. Late na rin kami natapos. So, after the internship, there's still a lot of things to do. Especially sa research. Late na rin kami nag-research defense and stuff like that. Actually, hindi pa kami nakakapagpa-perma ng clearance kung nag-rehearsal na kami. Even though there's still a lot of things to do.
Matcha ka man.
At
For somebody to queue us and everyone is ready for
Grabe kita na to, dahil ginagin ako na ka rin.
darwa lang ganyan.
Dahil ginayat ako.
Sorry. Uy, basta, alam mo, nang... ano rin nang... Dapli with sauce, kag may konting kanin.
Kaya niyo na.
Uy, do.
Nabuso niyo ko itong bal.
Ay, Ben! Nagmibong
Dahil namin ginambal ni Jess. Dahil nagbibong timugi na.